So yun guys, nandito tayo sa Liwanag Cafe, GMA branch. At ngayong araw guys, yung lunch nila ng kanilang Eat All You Can brunch buffet starting August 30 today until September 6 na for only 199 pesos lang guys. Patitikman nyo lahat ng meal nila guys from breakfast to lunch. Ang start ng kanilang buffet guys is from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sa kanilang breakfast guys, meron silang cereals, Coco Crunch at champurado. At sa rice guys, meron din sila, pwede kayong mamili kung plain rice, fried rice. At sa kanilang ulam, meron silang dalawang main course. Today's menu guys, meron sila bagnet kare-kare at chicken teriyaki. At sa pasta nila guys, meron silang pancit canton at aglio olio. At ulam na longganisa, Hungarian sausage at tocino. Meron din silang brewed coffee guys.
Bagnet kare-kare, tapos rice.
Halos lahat ng sinaserve nila dito guys, yung sariling recipe ng nanay ng owner guys. So doon inspired lahat ng mga Filipino dish. At isa pa guys sa kagandahan is araw-araw sila nagpapalit ng kanilang menu from breakfast to lunch. Yung kanilang main course guys, palit yan araw-araw.
For only 199 pesos guys, solve na yung breakfast mo at lunch mo. So tara dito guys sa may Liwanag Cafe, GMA branch.